Now let's recap the 4th of July 2013 at the Village Golf Course, the Firecracker event. Here's a Blair Witch Project look at the staging area at 7:30 in the morning as people were getting ready to take off and hit the links. At 32 teams in this event, 32 foursomes, let me do my math there, 128 golfers all preparing, some just relaxing nicely in their carts, waiting for the beginning, the key, the signal to go. Standing around puffing on cigars. A couple of beers, why not? It's only 7:30 in the morning. There's a patriotic fellow. Hey, turn around and look at me. Registration is still going on, and now after a little bit of instruction from Dan, we head out to the tee boxes for a shotgun start. This is the most dangerous part of my day. These guys just starting at 7 o'clock in the morning driving carts past me. Let's take a look at all the foursomes here. This gallery of images is available at the Village Golf Club Facebook page. You can get to it through a link below this video. You can actually click on the photo you like, double click it. Then if you right click, you can actually save the image as and save it right to your own computer or cell phone, mobile device. All 32 teams are represented here. And of course, after the event, everybody gathered in the clubhouse to find out who the winners were. Feast on a great barbecue. We had barbecue chicken, hamburgers, hot dogs, coleslaw, the works. And of course, here's our winning team getting their trophies, and they were finished at 20 under. Of course, in a scramble event, remember, you have a little advantage. So the Firecracker Golf Tournament is now another great event in the history books at the Village Golf Club. Go to thevillagegolfclub.com and make sure you find out about our next event.